What happens when you get a tattoo? Tattoos, as forms of body art, have been part of human culture for millennia. From ancient rites of passage to contemporary statements of individuality, these inked impressions are permanent fixtures on our skins. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body when you get a tattoo? Your skin operates like a conveyor belt of death. It continuously generates new cells while shedding old ones. This dynamic turnover helps protect you from harmful microbes, dirt, and any other foreign particles, ensuring that the surface remains a barrier to external threats. The living layer of the skin is situated roughly 1 millimeter beneath the surface. As new cells form in this layer, older cells are pushed upward. These maturing cells produce lamellar bodies filled with fats that create a waterproof barrier, which keeps your body intact and your skin resilient. Every hour, you shed around 200 million dead skin cells, effectively tossing away any potential contaminants clinging to them. This conveyor belt's relentless motion means that a tattoo applied only to the superficial layer of the skin would be short-lived, washed away with the fallout of expired skin cells. Therefore, tattoo needles must delve deeper. Tattooing is essentially an organized invasion. The needle plunges deep into the dermis, a region loaded with blood vessels, sensory cells, and most importantly for our discussion, immune cells. Here, the real battle unfolds. When the fleshy world explodes, as the needle penetrates your dermal layer, massive trauma is inflicted. The needles, which pierce the skin at the rate of about twice per second, create numerous micro-wounds. Each puncture kills or severely damages countless cells and potentially introduces bacteria to the freshly disrupted zone. Fortunately, a responsible tattoo artist will meticulously disinfect their tools and your skin. Nonetheless, some bacteria may still sneak through. The immediate immune response. Your immune system does not appreciate this unwelcome incursion. Almost instantaneously, an army of macrophages, the frontline soldiers of your immune system, rushes to the site of the injury. Their mission is twofold: neutralize any invading bacteria and manage the ensuing chaos. As the tattoo needles continue their work, they inadvertently distribute ink particles into your skin. These ink particles, composed of various substances, often heavy metals like lead, nickel, or chromium, incite further immune activity. The macrophages attempt to phagocytose, engulf these foreign particles in a desperate attempt to neutralize them. However, the ink doesn't succumb to the usual digestive enzymes and acids. Trapping the ink. When the macrophages realize they can't break down the ink particles, they switch strategies. They effectively imprison the ink within their cellular confines, preventing its dispersal throughout the body. Over time, more macrophages envelop any remaining free ink particles, creating a stable reservoir within the dermal layer. The ink particles remain there, held in place by your immune cells, forming what we recognize as a tattoo. Through this constant battle, the vibrant ink of a fresh tattoo ultimately becomes somewhat subdued, transitioning from the epidermis to its permanent home deeper within. The immune system's lifelong duty. As immune cells age and die, new macrophages continually arrive to maintain the ink-laden cells, ensuring the tattoo remains static. Occasionally, some ink particles escape, causing tattoos to blur over time. Tattoo removal. Another battle. Removing a tattoo puts your immune system through another ordeal. Laser tattoo removal shatters the ink particles into smaller fragments, which are easier for the macrophages to handle. However, this process also inflicts thermal and mechanical stress on the cells. Repeated laser sessions are required to gradually break down and remove most of the tattoo. Conclusion: the sacrifice of the macrophages. Every inked illustration on your skin symbolizes a dynamic interaction between foreign substances and the persistent effort of your immune system. The macrophages' relentless efforts showcase just how dedicated your body is to protecting you, even when you deliberately introduce foreign substances into it. So the next time you admire your tattoos, take a moment to appreciate the silent, microscopic drama unfolding beneath your skin. It's a testimony to the complex and wonderful capabilities of your body's immune system.